One down?
One down.
Aray.
Pero may ganda naman interior.
Ayun, buti naman. Flat. Ay, oo. What's up, idol? For today's video, we're going to rides in Yas again. Battery test again with my Blade 10. I will use Gear 3 Turbo Mode and dual motor.
Ingatan niyo po yung bawat isang Panginoon sa ride. Flag of time and share.
Okay guys, so first stop,
Ito dyan mga nakalikot lang.
one of my ride mate lady is her scooter is flat because of some wires. So here in Yas, so delicate to ride. You need to watch the road because there are some broken glass. So as you can see guys, I will show you. So like this. So as you can see, there are so many broken glass. Buti na lang ito, no? Okay guys, so far we did already 14.6 kilometers from the city. So here, and then my battery is, and my voltage is 62 volts. Warrior flat? Ay, flat nga. Ayan, this is C stapler. Sa problem yar.
Hindi pa kayo pumunta
Blade.
dito, walang na-plot. Sa harap na naman.
Before it's in the backside, now it's in front.
My God.
So Friday the 13th.
My nose is bleeding
Yeah.
only left
Pare,
side.
what can you say?
My nose left side bleed too much. Mino go there.
Uy, grabe.
Pako.
Ganyan din lang nakatira kay ano. Sa akin ganyan, tatlo.
Pako.
Wire.
Grabe.
Ay no, hindi. Bato to.
Pako yan.
Ah, hindi, metal. 3.4, so another 3 kilometers here. So 14 plus 10 plus 3, so almost 27 kilometers already. And then my battery is 58.5 volts.
Andyan.
Okay guys, so we are here already at Yas Mall parking. So I will show you now my battery. So my battery now is 2 bar. The volt is 57.8. By the way guys, I bring 2 charger this for my backup because I need to charge again. The scooter's addict. Team Friday.
Flat scooter.
Yeah. Team Friday the 13th scooters. So breakfast at IKEA. We're done already in charging our scooter. It's almost, time checks, it's 2:30 in the afternoon and we're going to city now. Paps. Salamat.
Saan dyan sumama mamaya?
Swimming. May pasok ako, Paps. Salamat, sir. Sir. Salamat. Airport road. Airport road.
So, bakit sumama mamaya?
Madam, ito po. Salamat. Sir. Okay guys, so our ride for today is already done. So this is the record I've made from Yas Mall. We ride out there 2:30 And this is the battery of my scooter. Sa 57.8 volts, 2 bar, still 2 bar. The ride of maximum speed in a highway. I'm really enjoy my rides today. So I already try also the maximum speed of Blade 10. And that's all for today. I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. And that's all for today. And this is James signing out.
It's